Hi guys, welcome back. I hope you're doing well. So today's video is on April's Glossybox, and I know I'm doing this quite late in the month. I'm sorry, I'm doing the video now. So obviously April's box is just a standard pink box. You get a description card, which I'll look at in a minute, and then this is just the normal inside of the box, which I'm just going to straight away open up. And this is what the box looks like this month. It's going to come out. Right, so the first thing I'm going to pick out is this Effect, I don't know which way, Effect Translucent Loose Rice Powder with Matte Effect. Rice powder. I don't think I've ever heard of that before. If I can open it. It's got a little cover on. I just want to see how fine the powder is. Right, I'm just going to tip a bit out in here. Nothing's coming. Nothing's coming. They've got a double seal. A double seal. Right, there we are. So I'm just gonna tip a bit out. So it's super white and very fine. That's very fine. Can't wait to try that one out. Let's have a little read of what it says in or on the description card. Effect Cosmetics Matte Effect Translucent Loose Transparent Loose Rice Powder. Move over banana powder. There's a new celebrity on the scene. Introducing rice powder, a combination of mica and rice starch, which gives a perfect matte finish. This is one of our makeup bags most have, as it's the perfect makeup setter. Instantly absorbing oil, setting foundation and lipsticks without the cakey look. It says top tip. Press the powder onto your skin while your foundation is still wet with a flat shaped brush or powder puff. It's a full size and it retails for £9.35. Oh, I'm quite impressed. Can't wait to try that out. So that's the first product in the Glossybox. The next one is probably the biggest one, and it's Imperial Leather Foam Burst Luxurious Body Wash Unicorn Marshmallow, and it's limited edition. And that's the little where it comes out of. Limited edition. Discover our limited edition magical body wash infused with marshmallow extract and unicorn power, set to make you feel like you're on top of a rainbow. Watch the unique gel change right before your eyes into a creamy cloud that glides across your skin like super soft silk. I think I've tried the Imperial Leather foams before, and I do quite like them. It says, it's I think exactly what I just read out. Set to make you feel like you're on top of a rainbow. We love the explosion of colours on this bottle. We can't help but think of flashbacks in the 80s, flash dances in the 80s. Watch the gel change before your eyes into a creamy cloud. And that is full size for £3.15. £3.15p. So that's the second product. The next one is KARL and LAGERFELD, and Model Co. We've tried Model Co before in these boxes, and it's a baked blush in rose beige. That's pretty. some shimmer to it. Just gonna, don't know if you can see that, a little bit of shimmer. Oh, that is pretty. I'd use that as a shadow. It's very pretty. Let's read what it says. KARL Lagerfeld and Modoko Baked Blush creates a warm glow to brighten and highlight every complexion. The micronized colour pigment and luxurious pressed powder delivers a sheer natural radiance that lasts all day. So I can't wait to try that out. From the bold and daring blush of the 80s to the natural look we're sporting now, we've come a long way, thank goodness. Say hello to this incredible baked blush that brightens and highlights every complexion to create a catwalk inspired glow. The luxurious pressed powder and micronized colour pigment delivers a sheer natural radiance that lasts all day. And it doesn't say it's a full size. It just says Glossybox early exclusive, launch date not yet released, so I can't tell you how much that is. But I'm very excited to try that out. The next product is this Glossybox's own angled brush. I take it out. It's obviously pink with black writing on, and it's angled, so great for eyeliners. It says, what do you call a glossy box when it contains a limited edition branded makeup brush? An amazing glossy box. This angled brush is a signature pink, of course, the ideal tool to use on your lips, eyes or brows. Create bold brows or define the peaks and curves of your lips with the smooth yet fine bristles, enabling you to control and perfect your timeless look. This is a full size for £5.50. Definitely be using that. I'd probably be using it for lips actually. So I can't wait to use that one, £5.50. And the last product is this Ico London Fat Liquid Eyeliner in black. Ico London. And the tip is a chubby stick. It's a chubby tip. Just gonna do a little line. So it's quite a thick liner. I do like a thick line on my top lid, so just having one swipe of this would be really good. I'm just going to read about that. It says dramatic, long wear and carbon black. Ico London Fat Liquid Eyeliner. Remember the big bold lines that Brigitte Bardot, I don't know who that is, rocked in the 50s, Twiggy in the 60s and Kate in the 90s. The It girls over the decades have shown us that a heavy liner never goes out of fashion. Recreate all of the looks with this smudge proof fat liquid liner. Tag hashtag Glossybox UK to share your winged beauties with us. And this is a full size for £16. So I'm guessing the theme of this box was 60s. So it says this month's dedicated to all things nostalgia. For the whole of April, we'll be taking inspiration from generation past, bringing you a fresh twist on all old classics. From Brigitte Bardot's signature cat eye in the 50s, 70s inspired colourful body products to 90s bold lips. We're paying homage to our favourite beauty styles of the past, and the 80s, you ask? Well, some things were only acceptable in the 80s. Wow, so 80s box this month, and 60s, was it 60s? So it's 50s, 20s and 90s. Let's put that back. So that was this box. I'm quite liking all this box this month. I'll definitely use this powder, see if it's flashback proof. The blush I can't wait to use, and the eyeliner and pencil. And this sneak peek for May, I don't know if you can see it right up here. This fabulous vegan and cruelty-free duo of shampoo and conditioner will transform your hair. Containing no nasty sulfates or parabens, the Swedish professional hair care brand Maria Nila has been on our watch list for an age. Hurry up, May. So we'll be getting shampoo and conditioner from a Swedish brand next month. Well, liking this box this month. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please subscribe and like this video if you do. Until next time, guys, bye.